Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today let's share the Friday freebie of this week. So the freebie I have designed is this one here. Okay, so it's a background of it's very artistic. There are some floor on the background, or more like on a painted style, and then I have to put butterflies, guys. I'm very sorry, it wouldn't be a freebie of mine without some butterflies, and I actually put some more flowers on the top as well. So let me show you the freebie in a bit more detail. So the color palettes are all the same. It's kind of like a really nice blue with a touch of green and pink, and there's some white in there as well. Okay, this page here has been designed using, where is it, this one here. So this is the page from, it's a favorite of mine. It's a digital called Romantic Paint. It's a mini, so it's only 4 pages and it only costs £1.50. If you guys want to purchase it, I will put the link down below. So this is the inspiration behind this kit was floral, painted floral background. So I created this page here. So you get one background, you get another background. The color palettes, it's very similar. They're all this really nice natural blue and greens and red. On here, don't know if you can see, when you print it, there is like a canvas texture on the background. On the mini kit, you also get a milk carton gift box. So this one is very popular. Know how much you like it, guys. It's this one here. So those 4 squares are those 4 squares here. Those 2 and the tabs are the base, and then those 2 triangles here on the top are basically those ones, and those 2 rectangles there are that one and that one, and then the top bit is where you close it. You can either glue it or put a little peg. It's completely up to you. This is another one I made using my VIP lounge papers. So I put a little purple peg, so people, you know, you can put a little gift in there, close it, and the person can reuse it or use this to gift, you know, to gift this to somebody else. So it's a really nice way to do some recycling and you know, pass it on. So, and last but not least, you get a page with tags. Okay, so those 5 tags are the same, and then you get 2 largest tags. So if you guys wish to purchase this, I will put the link down below. So how do you get this? In case you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Antonio. I send a freebie every Friday on my newsletter. So I will put here on the screen what it looks like. It's basically an email that contains the recap of the week, the papers of the week. There is also a cheeky discount code that changes every week, just to give everybody the chance to, you know, to treat themselves and buy some of my digitals or workshop or ebook. I change it all the time, every week. But also, if you join my Facebook group, and I'll show you in just a second where to find it, you can download the rest of the freebie, which is about 300 freebie on my catalog for the previous week. Let me show you what to find. Okay, guys, so this is my Facebook group. So once you're in, you scroll down, so you see all the posts from the lovely crafters. So this is post from Wendy that made a folio using some of my papers. That's my post about the Easter kit. Again, there's loads and loads and loads of creators that, oh, this is Julia, that she recently joined my VIP membership. Thank you, Julia. Again, all other crafters, they share the video tutorials and of course all my freebie. Okay, so it's a very, very interactive platform. I really recommend, if you guys are on Facebook, to join us, because you get tons and tons of ideas. So where do you find your my freebie? So if you click on files there, you see all the freebies that I have shared in date order. Okay, so from the most recent to the most old ones, and there is about 3 years worth of freebies. So come and join us there, and what you do is simply click in there and then download. Okay, so guys, join my Facebook group, join the newsletter so you won't miss it, and the email I send every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. So it's a really, really good way to get my freebies straight to your email address without you doing anything. So you probably forget, Don't worry, because I'll send the email for you. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Big thumbs up if you like my freebies. If you leave a comment, it will be much appreciated, and thumbs up because you're telling YouTube that you like what I make, and it helps with my journey here on the channel. Guys, have a wonderful weekend. Not sure what your plans are, but whatever you do, have a fabulous crafty weekend. Look after yourself, take care, and I'll see you on Monday for another video. Mwah. Bye.